Welcome, Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make a keto yogurt cake. Absolutely moist and delicious. I think you're going to love it. The ingredients you're going to need is 1/3 cup of coconut oil melted, 2 cups of almond flour, 1/3 cup of allulose. Allulose is a plant-based sugar alternative and keto-friendly, 3 large eggs at room temperature, 1/3 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of pure almond extract, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. It really makes this cake really super rich in flavor. Let me show you how simple this is to get together. I'm baking my yogurt cake in a 7-inch springform pan that I've lightly buttered and sprinkled with almond flour. You can also use an 8x4-inch loaf pan. In a large bowl, I'm adding our 3 eggs, our tablespoon of butter. I'm using a spatula to make sure I get all of it in there, along with our Greek yogurt, the almond extract, and the vanilla extract. Using a whisk, break your egg yolks and give this a lovely little whisking until all your ingredients here are well incorporated. And that almond extract, it smells so yummy with that vanilla. Add the allulose, baking powder, and salt. Incorporate this in with your wet ingredients here so you can get that baking powder and that allulose well distributed through your cake. We're going to add that almond flour and we're going to go ahead and give this a lovely little stirring until it's well incorporated and looking like this. It's ready for its prepared baking pan. At this point, you want your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your cake out around the edges until you have an even layer. Off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 40 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Use your timer and no peeking. Look at that beautiful dome on top of our cake. I'm going to check it with a toothpick. We're going to insert it. If it comes out clean, remove it from the oven. Let it cool here on a cooling rack in its pan for about 5 minutes. And then I'll show you how to remove it from its pan. 5 minutes are up and I'm using a plastic knife, just a little cheap plastic knife. And I'm going to go around the edge of the cake very gently, so we won't cut into our cake. We'll double ensure it'll come loose from the sides of the pan here, which we shouldn't have a problem with. And as you can see, as it cools, the dome drops. And I'm using a springform pan, and like I said earlier, you can use an 8x4-inch loaf pan. And we'll pop it open, remove the top, and if you could smell the almond flavor, absolutely fantastic. Give it a little sprinkle with allulose. Not necessary, but I just love the extra touch it gives. As you can see how beautiful and golden it is around the edge. We're going to let this cool down for an additional 30 minutes. Time to cut in to our keto yogurt cake. And I want to show you what it looks like on the inside. There we go. Ooh. Oh, I got to show you. Look how lovely and moist it is. I'm just gonna informally give it a little try. Wow, lovely, moist. Tastes very rich. I can taste that vanilla extract and the almond extract, and I can even taste that Greek yogurt we have in it. You will not be disappointed with this keto yogurt cake. And look how golden it is. And looky here on the inside. It's fabulous. And it tastes like it's real flour and sugar, except richer in texture and flavor. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. So delicious. And you wouldn't even think it's keto friendly. Serve it with strawberries, some whipped cream. I'm going to leave that up to you. Be the first to hit that notification bell to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.